Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox crash problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here device manager and then go to display adapters and right click on your GPU, right click on it and click update driver, then click search automatically for drivers, then close it and update next one here. And after that just close this one and restart your PC. And if that doesn't fix your problem, right click on Roblox, open properties and then go to compatibility mode and run compatibility troubleshooter. And here just wait until you find this one like that, try recommended settings and then click next, click test program. And that's it, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.